Okay, first up we have a 1954 Ford Custom F100 pickup. I'm back at the Macungie Memorial Park for the Wheels of Time car show. Remember, I was just here like a few weeks ago for another car show. I like the way they run things here. They get some nice quality cars here. Okay, here's the engine bay. And we do have air conditioning. This is a nice looking ride. Let's take a look at the inside. Very nice. It's all modern. Seats look comfortable. Okay, here's the bed of the truck. Okay, here's the next one. I'm probably going to be filming here for hours. There's tons and tons of nice cars here. A lot of hot rods and classics. Here's the next one. Okay, I just talked to the owner and found out this is a 1931 Ford. Beautiful. Okay, here's the engine bay. I like the way that front window opens up like that as a vent. And look at the etching in the glass here. Very nice. Okay, here's a shot of the interior. It's very, very comfortable.
Thought it'd be golden. Crossing the
Okay. Here we have another Ford.
think I was broken.
And this one's for sale.
Needed some time to clear my head. 'Cause I've made all the mistakes and I've dealt with the heartbreaks, but I think that I found my way. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever
Okay, here's the engine bay.
and I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. I'll find my way back to you. I see a river.
Okay, here is a 1930. I think it is a Chevy. It reminds me of the ZZ Top car.
Remember carving our names onto that.
Very nice orange.
And I just wanna see you. 'Cause you will never know just how much I've been missing home. 'Cause I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken. I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding my way right back to you. Yeah, I'll find my way back to you. I think that I'm finding my way
Okay, here's the interior.
right back to you.
Okay, here we have another Ford.
I think that I'm finding my way. Thought it'd be golden. Crossing the line and don't look back. But I've been sinking like a stone. Carolina, take me home. Nothing's ever really broken and I won't let you go. 'Cause I'm finding
Okay, here's the interior.
to you. Yeah, I'll find my way back to you.
Okay, I just talked to the owner of the car, and it's a 1935 Ford. So I got the year for you. All right, here's another nice one. I will try to get the year, make and model for you.
We should head back to our old place in the faraway.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Now I know you, how the times can change, and I get a little down. Thinking about tomorrow, I get down.
Okay, here's the bed of the truck, and it's a 1940 Ford pickup.
I've cried many times over you, sleepless nights. What a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. Maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down, I get to thinking I don't even know why,
Okay, here's the engine, you can't miss it.
Is it just me?
This blower on the top.
You up all night thinking you should maybe go your own way.
Alright, here's the front end.
Things right 'cause I get a little down.
Hey, here is a 1934 Chevy.
Down. Should we call it quits and let go?
It's got a beautiful front end
Many times over you, sleepless
and a beautiful black.
nights. What a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. And maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this.
Look at the Chevy emblem in the front of the grill there.
I don't even know why I tried. Yeah, I
Okay, here's the side here. The black paint is absolutely stunning on this thing. Here's a nice shot of the interior.
We should head back to our old place in the faraway town where I met you, baby. I have cried many times.
Okay, here we have a rat rod here.
What a crime, wasting my tears on a broken dream. And maybe I just can't forgive another mistake. Maybe I don't wanna feel this heartache. Every time you let me down, I get to thinking I don't even know.
Okay, it's got a trailer hooked up to the back of it with a motorcycle on the back. An old motorcycle. Pretty cool. That's an old motorcycle there, man.
The shadows were dancing on the building's golden light when the sun sank low. Bustling streets and busy traffic.
Okay, here's a 1931 Ford.
The roads were drawn like something certain. Every turn laid out so clear. Felt like love, looked like forever. But I fear we had a paper town.
Okay, here we have a 1934 Ford.
Soon we painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper.
Still has the flathead V8.
This paper town. The streets don't feel like home now. All the colors faded, slowly turned to gray. And I thought we had it figured out.
Let's go up to the, see the bed of the truck.
The lights we chased
This truck is in perfect condition.
had disappeared.
Better, much better than factory.
We had a paper.
Okay, here's the interior.
Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon.
Okay. And here's the engine bay.
You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn into this paper town.
Trips in the intake, carburetors. Very nice.
This paper town. This paper town. This paper town.
Okay, here's a 1930 Chevy Coupe.
Maybe we were built too goddamn thin. Drawn in lines that fade too fast. I swore this town would pull us in, but nothing here was made to last. We had a paper town. Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been
Okay, here's a nice shot of the interior. Very nice.
This paper town.
There's a shot of the engine bay there. Very nice. Okay, here is a 1930 Chevy. And it's is for sale for $32,500. It's beautiful. Alright, here's the interior. Okay, here's a 1932 Plymouth PB sedan. This one's for sale. No price on it though. Beautiful. Okay, here's the interior. At the engine compartment. Yeah, I had to take a video of this. This truck's called the Time Bomb. Alright, there's the engine compartment. Again, I don't think you can miss it. Okay, 1956 Chevy truck.
Tell me, baby, what's a man? Oh, what's a man? Tell me, baby, what's a man? What's a man I've got to do?
5-window cab. Very sharp. Beautiful.